In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by date in Google Sheets. If you work with timelines, activity logs, or any dataset with dates, a filter view is the safest way to focus on exactly what you need without changing what others see. It creates a personal lens on your data that you can turn on and off whenever you like. Start by opening your sheet and creating a dedicated filter view. Go to the Data menu. Choose Filter Views, and select Create New Filter View. Your sheet will switch into a special mode with a dark border around the grid and small filter icons in the header row. At the top left, you'll see a name field for this view. Giving it a clear name now will make it easier to find later if you create more than one view. While you are in a filter view, anything you filter or sort applies only to this view, not to the entire sheet for everyone else. Now apply your date filters, just as you would in a standard filter. Click the filter icon on your date column's header. In the panel that appears, choose Filter by Condition. Then pick a date rule that matches your goal. Common choices include date is after, date is before, or is between for a specific range. You can also choose rolling options like today, yesterday, or in the past week if you need something dynamic. Enter your dates or select them from the calendar picker, confirm, and your sheet instantly narrows to the matching rows. You can layer additional filters on other columns too, all within the same view, so your date filter works alongside criteria like status or category. If the date options don't appear or the filter isn't behaving as expected, double-check that your date column is actually stored as dates rather than text. Consistent formatting helps Google Sheets recognize the values correctly. Also, make sure your column header is clearly labeled. That keeps things organized when you come back to this view later. The best part is that these changes are saved automatically for your view. You can close the filter view at any time, then return to it from Data and Filter Views to pick up right where you left off. Anyone with access to the spreadsheet can open the same view, but your filtering won't disrupt their default view unless they choose to use it. That's all there is to it. Create the filter view. Apply your date conditions and enjoy a clean, focused look at your data whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.